Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was to where it closed today, I think any rational person would say that, yeah, this here was quite the nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, is there any sort of true power behind this price action? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. I actually want to scrunch this up a little bit to bring a little bit more perspective. There we go. And that point is down here at, what is the value of that? $6.45. Why is $6.45 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, the price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 645. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside. What would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range where the price had been trapped below it for literally weeks upon weeks. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Let's say a pretty drastic pullback happens. So I'm not saying this will happen. Let's just pretend it comes down here and then does something like that. So even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am defining and quantifying the statement make progress as $6.45. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, not even going to talk about those right now because in my opinion, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just simply going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, the chart will take care of itself. So very nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.